guys, this is Mrs. Calhoun, and today's experiment or observation is the tube of wonder. So we have this little tube that if you were in class, this would actually be my hall pass. Your job is to see how this works. And before I get too far into it, I think that this is a great representation of science because you can see what's happening around the tube as I pull the strings. You can see what's happening around it, but you can't necessarily see what's happening in the middle. And in science, sometimes things are just too big or too small for us to see. We know there's something happening in the middle, but we don't really know what. But we can make a prediction, as scientists do, or as people that actually think do. So we can figure out what might be happening in there. Can we see it? No. And because we can't actually see it, that would be more of a theory. So you guys are going to make your theories. If we could actually see what was going on in there, more specifically, that would be more of a law. So theory is you can see it, you can test it, you can retest it, and get the same stuff, even though you can't see it. So this tube is what you guys are going to try to do today. What I would like for you to do is get with your teams, and I want you to make 3 predictions on what you think might be happening on the inside. And how you're going to do that is draw a picture. This is the tube. These are the strings. And you are going to draw something on the inside. You're going to draw the strings on the inside to represent what might happen. So you and your groups are going to predict the 3 ways that this tube could be working. You're going to discuss it with your team. Then we're going to come back and discuss it with the class. Then, with your supplies that I asked you to bring, I want you to actually try it. I want you to build one. And your task is to build it until it works. And then you're going to send a video or you're going to share it with us while we're in class if you get it done in class. So step 4, make it. And my big hint to you there is to watch your string length. A lot of times you're going to have the idea right, but the strings need to be either lengthened or shortened or whatever. Okay. So you could use yarn, you can use rope, you can use string. Okay. So just kind of play with it and see if you can't get this magic to work.